Hey guys, welcome back. So I am doing a new mystery box that I've never done before, and this is by Manny MUA. His brand is called Lunar Beauty, which I love. I've tried some products, so I'm excited that he did a mystery box. So we're gonna see what he has. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so this is his box. I'm gonna see. Now I just got the largest of the box. I didn't get the other two because I was afraid that it was gonna be about the same, which I should have still done, but I had other boxes that I already purchased from other places. So we're gonna get into this stuff we have here. We have a sponge is the first thing that I see here. So this is for liquid and powder. Let's see. Ooh, how cute is that? So it's pointing at the top and the bottom, so that's really exciting. And it feels really nice. I can't wait to use this. My love right now is a Huda Beauty sponge. So that's what I'm currently using. So we'll see this here. I see a couple different things here. Ooh, we have lip glosses and liquid lipsticks and another lip gloss. So I'm going to open them up so you can see them. Now, when he came out with this, the package is absolutely beautiful. Love the little diamond there. He kind of stands out from other brands that I've seen. So that is pretty cool. Ooh, I see we got a red. So that is cute here. And then I'll post swatches on here so that you guys can see. So I'm not taking up too much time, but look at that. That is so cute. That was a little peek that he gave us. So definitely 3 beautiful packages. And I mean, he doesn't stop there. He does also the boxes. I don't know with the lighting if you can see, but look at that. So it starts from the boxes on how beautiful that is. One of the other items I show is lashes. Now look how cute is that for his box. Ooh, look at that. And these are so pretty because you can do night or day. That's how amazing these are. Ooh, so there are some more that get a little bit more dramatic, but that is super cute. And oh, I see a bag. We're going to get into the prices shortly because I could see now just from reading before I got the boxes that there were going to be 4 pallets in the large one. So if I did my calculations correct, when I've gotten other pallets, I think they're about $48 a pallet. So I think just alone with the pallets alone, you've already kind of paid for the box. So everything else, if you think about it, is free. We'll add up the total in the end, and I think he put it on the website. What I do like about it, and I've never thought about it before, is that he doesn't come out with them often because so that you're not getting the same product over and over again. So that is also cool. But there's 4 pallets in here, and like I said, that is already the total, beyond the total. So we have a cute bag, and it looks small, but it is so large and stretchy. So here we have face brushes. Ooh, I love face brushes. If anybody knows me, I love face brushes. So this is really, really soft. So here we have all the face brushes here. I'll go ahead and put the names and the prices of each one, but I think the face brushes, a set I think is $65 if I got the correct face brush right. So that is awesome. And oh my god, look what I see, the necklace. So I don't know if he said they were going to be in all of them, but he said that him and his mom found some pretty necklaces that he was going to put in a couple hundred boxes. So I hope everyone got one, but if not, I'm sorry. But look how pretty. Oh my god, this is so cute. My niece is gonna love this. I know she's gonna take it away from me before I even get to see it, get to use it. So that is so cute. Thank you, Manny. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That is so sweet. You didn't have to do that. So this is not included in obviously the price. So that was really cute gift. And then I think we're moving on to the palettes. So let's see what this is here. So the first one, and oh, we didn't get into the packaging. Look how cute that is. Oh my god. You're too cute. You're too cute. We have a Moon Prism blush palette. Alexa, stop the alarm. Alexa's doing me dirty, guys. I'm sorry. And oh my god, look at the packaging. Now, if anyone's ever bought any one of his palettes, the packaging is so amazing, so pretty. Look
Sorry, something went wrong.
Alexa, not today. And then look at, oh my God, look how cute those are. Super, super cute. That's the blush. Then we have, ooh, the Moon Spell Volume 2. This is the Volume 2. Okay, this one is like a book. So I can get it out for you. Okay. Look how detailed that is. That is super cute. Hey.
Hi.
Go in the sala. What are you doing here?
It's one of the...
Super cute. Say hi.
Hi.
Our third palette. We have the Eternal Eclipse. So most of these range $48. Look how cute that is. Look at that. See how cute. And then last is a big one. Ooh, Outer Dimension. Oh my God, it won't come out. I think the lipsticks and lip glosses are about $17 for lip gloss, $18 for the lipstick. I've purchased one before, so that's the only reason why I know. Oh my gosh, sweet Jesus, I can't get this out. Let's see. He wants to shove this in here. It's stuff. There we go. Look how cute that is. Oh my God, look at that, how cute. Ooh, it's a face palette. That I smell like a little, I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but I smell the scent. Almost like a vanilla. This is so cute. So a lot of different complexions can use this. If you're doing makeup, you can do someone else's makeup with this complexion. So that is super cute. You can do plenty of different things with this face palette here. So how cute is that to get a face palette, a blush palette, 2 eye palettes. You have everything you need. It's like a starter kit. I mean, you have your face brushes, you have your lipstick, liquid lipstick, you know, sponge even. I mean, all you need is a foundation, concealer maybe. You got your eyelashes, everything that you need is in here. So that is super cute. Okay, so let me just move this cute box aside so we can go over the palettes and the prices for everything. Okay, so we have the Outer Dimension, $49 for this beautiful face palette. So $49. You have your Moon Spell, which is about $48 for volume 2. You have your Eternal Eclipse. This is $48. You have your Prism blush here. This is $35. And then things like your eyelashes. So eyelashes can go for about $15. Your sponge can go for about $10. And like I said, your lipsticks and your lip glosses, they'll go for $17 and then $18. And then when I looked up the brushes, I think they came with the bag for $65. If not, the bag alone is $13. And then each brush is sold individually if that's what you want to do. So, oh, here's a sponge, $10. So you're well over your $145 you spend, and this is a great first time kit for anybody or someone like myself who has plenty of makeup at home, and you know, you think it's time to upgrade your brushes and stuff like that. So definitely love the texture. These are not cheap by any means. I love the style. I love his uniqueness here that he put into his brand. So I really love that. Like I said, this is my first time doing. I wish I would have done, you know, a few years ago his other mystery box, but I didn't. So this is well worth the money. So if anybody's, I mean, even the $50 box alone, I've seen people unbox theirs, amazing, still well worth $50, and the value is just ridiculous. I'll put the total down below what this is all worth, but I believe he also posted the balance. This is well over $300 or something like that. So I have purchased some other products similar to this from his line. So very, very perfect. I mean, you know, he definitely is not going to put something out there that is not worth it at all. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Can't wait to show you another one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one.